This was his legal strategy all along, was delay, 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 and ultimately it's a legal strategy which has paid off for him. 2 of the 4 cases that were being levied against Donald Trump are now disappearing if this motion is granted, which it's widely expected that it will be. This 6-page finding coming from the Special Counsel Jack Smith said that the DOJ, the Department of Justice, was looking to shut down this investigation, citing the Constitution's prohibition on federal indictment and prosecution of a sitting president. Well, that main ruling came from the DC case here in Washington, which was about the election subversion case, but of course it now also applies to the classified documents case based out of Florida as well. The Justice Department in their ruling saying the department's position is that the Constitution requires that this case be dismissed before the defendant is inaugurated. Well, what happens next will be that if this is granted, which again it is widely expected to be, then the Special Counsel Jack Smith will file a final report with Merrick Garland, the Attorney General. That is in line with every other Special Counsel investigation that has gone on under this tenure. That report will be released. We are not expecting anything bombshell to come out of that, but it will be released to the public. And then Jack Smith will resign ultimately before Joe Biden leaves office on January the 20th. Of course, Donald Trump himself has threatened to fire Jack Smith anyway, so he's kind of jumping before he was pushed, as it were. But it could not be the last time that we're going to see him because he could get subpoenaed by Congress, which would mean he would then have to go and talk to either the House or the Senate committees that subpoenaed him, which would mean that we could get some new details in that setting. But right now, no new details about this case that was being levied against Trump are expected to come to light.